welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change background music in InVideo AI and choose audio that better matches the style and mood of your video. First, open InVideo AI and select the project you want to edit. Open the video in the editor and preview it once so you can understand how the current background music works with the narration. Next, find the music or audio section in the editor.
This
Look
pair
through
is
the
too ugly for
available
my wife.
background
I said I'd
music
be a good
options
wife.
and choose a track that matches your video topic and overall mood. For tutorials and educational videos, choose simple and subtle music that doesn't distract viewers. For marketing, promotional, or social media videos, you can choose something more energetic if it fits the content. After selecting a new track, preview the video with the updated music. Listen carefully to how the music works together with the AI voiceover. The narration should always remain clear and easy to understand. If the music is too loud, reduce its volume until the voice
Shop.
becomes the main focus. Next,
Got a
check the
box with
music
a
throughout the entire video.
Shoes worth about 15.
Make sure the track fits both the beginning and ending and doesn't suddenly become distracting during important sections. If your video contains multiple scenes, listen to the transitions between them. The background